Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sonia from Tech Basics. Today, I will guide you through the quick and easy process of signing up for Adobe Express, a user-friendly mobile app packed with powerful editing tools, filters, and effects, making it easy for users to enhance their photos on the go. With seamless integration with Adobe Creative Cloud and a vibrant community of creators, is perfect tool for unleashing your creativity anytime, anywhere. So first, we will open Adobe Express app on your device. Click on the application. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Look for sign up options. Sign up for free. Tap on it. Now it's time to input your details. Adobe Express will ask you for your email. So we will just provide the details. You can create your own password, so whichever password that you want to go with, just write it in here. We will click on continue. Now we have made our name, last name, and date of birth. Click on create account. After signing up, you may have the option to complete your profile by adding additional information such as your profile picture or preferences. This step is optional, so you can skip it if you prefer. And just like that, you are all set up. Take a moment to explore features of Adobe Express so that you can apply filters, make adjustments, and add text and more to your photos. Now it will ask you to what is the purpose of using this application. So we will just take whatever is our goal. Click on next. And we do not have any experience with this app, so we will click none. And done. We are all ready to experiment with different tools and effects to unleash our creativity. Signing up for Adobe Express is a breeze, and with its intuitive interface, you will be editing photos like a pro in no time. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.